Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell Transcripts. In this video, you'll learn how to record your PowerShell sessions to files. Transcripts are an essential tool for documenting your work, troubleshooting issues, and maintaining a record of administrative tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to start, manage, and stop transcript logging in PowerShell. PowerShell transcripts are records of everything that happens in your PowerShell session. They capture all commands you type and all the output those commands produce. Transcripts are saved to text files, making them perfect for documentation and auditing purposes. Everything displayed in your console window gets captured in the transcript file, creating a complete historical record of your session. To begin logging, use the Start-Transcript cmdlet. When you run this command without any parameters, PowerShell creates a transcript file in the default location, which is typically your Documents folder. You can also specify a custom path by using the -path parameter followed by the file location in quotes. For example, start-transcript-path :c:\logs/session.txt quote. The Start-Transcript cmdlet has several useful parameters. The -path parameter lets you specify exactly where you want your transcript file saved. The -append parameter allows you to add new content to an existing transcript file instead of overwriting it. The -force parameter is helpful when you need to overwrite files that are marked as read only. These parameters give you flexible control over how your transcripts are managed. When you want to continue logging to an existing file rather than creating a new one, use the -append parameter. This is particularly useful for daily logs where you want to add each session to the same file. Simply run start-transcript-path with your file location, followed by -append. This way, your new session data gets added to the end of the existing transcript without erasing previous content. When you're finished with your work and want to stop logging, use the Stop-Transcript cmdlet. This command is simple with no required parameters. Running Stop-Transcript closes the current transcript file and stops recording your session. It's important to stop transcripts before closing PowerShell to ensure all data is properly saved to the file. Transcripts serve several important purposes in real-world scenarios. They're essential for compliance and security auditing, providing a complete record of administrative actions. When troubleshooting problems or debugging scripts, transcripts let you review exactly what happened during a session. They're also valuable for training and documentation, allowing you to create detailed records of procedures and workflows that can be shared with team members or used for future reference. Follow these best practices to get the most from PowerShell transcripts. Use descriptive file names that include timestamps so you can easily identify specific sessions later. Organize your transcripts in dedicated folders to keep them separate from other files. Always remember to stop transcripts before closing PowerShell to ensure proper file saving. Finally, review and archive old transcripts regularly to manage disk space and maintain an organized logging system. Following these practices will help you maintain clean, useful transcript records.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.